Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andrew and today I'll be doing a Moosend review. Now what is Moosend? Moosend is an email marketing tool for just anybody, for a businessman or anyone who just really wants to send automations, who wants to send email newsletters broadcasting on a daily basis, who also wants to build landing pages for the opt-in pages for the subscribers. Right now the pricing the pricing is very cheap, it's very affordable. It starts at zero for anyone, for if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, but if you have more than that, it starts at $8. Now you can scroll this thing and check how much you have to pay depending on the number of subscribers you have. Okay, and then yeah, that's it. Now going on with the video, I'm gonna show you how to use Moosend and how it works. So yeah, so if you click the link in the description, right, you'll be taken to the home page over here. Now when you take it to this home page, you just sign up with your email address, and this is the page you'll be presented to. Now this is your dashboard. Now I made a new account for the purposes of this video. So when you come here, you can, let's start by mailing list. You're creating a mailing list. Like you create the mailing list name, and then now you write. Now for me, my name is going to be Ginger Official Newsletter. Okay, save. Now that's members, nothing yet. Special names, no batch actions. Now we'll do that later, depending on what you want to do. Okay, now let's come here to campaigns. Now you come here, you create a new campaign. Now you can choose, you can regular campaign, split campaign, repeatable, HTML, RS. Now we're gonna go with the regular campaign. Now you come here, you write your name. Now I'm just gonna paste what I wrote earlier. Paste here, paste subjects, preview texts. Now you choose a sender, you choose a reply to. You know, this when you first sign up, this is gonna be your email. Right, now you press next. Press next, depending on what you want to do. Okay, now you click here, and then it's gonna take you to the editor. You click here, it's gonna take you to the editor. Now this takes up to 5 to 10 seconds, depending, you know, how fast the Wi-Fi is. Now you want to hear, this is the newsletter, right? And then you click template library, come here, you choose a template. Now I know which template I want, so I'm just gonna use this one. And then yeah, and then you come here, you edit your templates. Now let me delete this. This is not an image, this is just a fake image that they put, but you have to delete it. Now I'm gonna add an image, add some text, and edit it. Okay, add image here. Now you can just drag and drop, or you can double click, and then it's gonna take you here to recent files. Now depending on who you depending whether you must upload a thing, so you press your local files, and then you choose a file, and then you upload it. Now I already uploaded a picture, so I'm just gonna choose this one now, and then I'm just gonna choose, and then I'm just gonna use later. Then you type in the text you like, and then depending, okay, I'm just gonna choose something here very fast, make it fast. Okay, copy. Okay, there we go. Now here's your button. Now you click here. Now if you want to add a URL, first you have to click here, and then you press none, and then that's when you're able to add a URL. So exactly, and then once you're done, yeah, and that's it. And then this is your newsletter, and then editing anything else you need to edit. Once you're done, you click update and continue. You're done. And yeah, it takes 5 to 10 seconds once again. Now that's your newsletter. Now you can send a content spam test to test whether it's going to the promotions box, spam box, the usual procedure. Now you I'm gonna skip test. Now you can choose if you want this email broadcast to be sent immediately to your subscribers, or you can send it at a set time and a set date. So yeah, you press next here. Now I'm gonna choose immediately and then next. And then now this is your thing. This is your newsletter and anything. Okay, now we have to come here to make it. No, can we add a mailing list? This one. And yeah, next. And then now we've added a mailing list. Yeah, and that's how you do the email automation. Now that's how you send newsletters. Now, if you want to come to automation, if you want to send automation, you just click here, automations. You create new. Now, once here, you'll be able to choose the different kind of landing pages and templates you want to choose. Now, for beginner, you just come here to welcome sequence, press select. Now, when you press select, you'll be taken to this page here. This is the black one, this box with the black thing on the side, right? This is the trigger, and the one with the red thing on the side, this is the time interval for how long should the email take to send. Now, and then this is the email itself, time interval, email time interval once again. Okay, and now you choose your trigger. You'll be like, okay, choose the trigger. Now you can say yes, trigger on first subscription, or no, trigger for every subscription. Now you see, if you say no, even if they sign up twice, that person will get email twice just because they signed up twice. Now if it's yes only on first subscription, that means they only subscribe once and only once. See, and even if they sign up again, it's still gonna sign up with the same email, but they won't get double the email. So here you set your time interval. Now you can choose 1 minute, 1 day, 1 hour, 1 month. So you choose, or you can wait for a specific date. It's up to you. Now you press save, and then here's your email campaign. And then now you choose now you write the subject. Right. Now let's write Ginger official reviews newsletters. Sender. Your sender is normally email address. Use campaign designer. Now you click here to use campaign designer, and you'll be taken to the editor, and then this way you can edit your email. So you come here to template library once again, or you can just choose one of the structures here and edit it yourself. Now you come here, you choose, I know which template I want, and then yeah. Once again, you add the image. Now you delete this one first, because this is just delete, drag and drop, click OK. Now Ginger official newsletter. Now you copy, and then you're done. And then you just come here, usual procedure just like what we did just now, and then you change your URL, and then that's it. And then when you're done, you say update campaign, and then it's gonna be done, and then you'll be taken back to this page. And yeah, this is your email sequence. Now you can put a daily cap on the emails that should be sent per day. Now I'm just gonna choose unlimited, right? Depending on you, who you are, what you do, and then you press save. Now this is our email. This is our email sequence. Now you can continue, add another time interval. But let me just delete this. If you want to delete, you just double tap 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you can add triggers. You can add different split testing, right? Or you can add triggers. Now you can come here your actions, you choose, okay, you add a subscriber will be moved to a certain list when they do a certain action. Now maybe if they sign up to something, if they unsubscribe, if they add text to members, if whatever it may be, your action, it's up to you. Now here you can split test. Now you can choose which split testing you want, and then you choose, okay, split test to this email, split test to, you know what it do, you know what you have to do. You're a business owner, you're email marketing agent, whatever it may be. Just, and then press here on reports, and then this is where you see all the reports, how many members you have, all the analytics about your email list and your business. So you come here to integrations. Now here are all the integrations: WordPress, Zapier, Segment, Mailchimp, Never Bounce, and all these integrations. Now sadly they don't have DV, so, and I think they should add, but yeah, they don't have DV and other integrations which may not be found. Okay, and yeah, that's it, guys. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's it for the review. Now if you're interested, you can just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to the Moosend website. Thank you guys for watching my video, and goodbye.